Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys one of my curly cocktails. So it's going to be a new series on my channel where I show you guys all the concoctions and products that mix well together to give you a really good wash and go. So today's video is I'm going to be using some products that I have never used before. And I'm going to take those products, I'm going to do my wash and go, and hopefully it gives me bomb results. So yeah, curly cocktails. So if you want to see how I use these products, then just stay tuned. I just recorded this whole section, but the audio wasn't working. Yay! So I'm gonna show you guys the curly cocktail that I'm using. So first off, I'm using the Camille Rose Curl Milk, Curl Love Moisture Milk. I'm using that. And then I am topping that off with the My Organics Curly Cocktail Curl Cream. Using a little bit of that. And then as my gel, I'm using the Wetline Extreme Gel. So I'm going to take my brush all of that in, evenly distribute those two, and then I'm going to take my gel and plop it on top. Really focusing on roots and all the way through. And then I'm going to take my Denman brush to kind of like smooth the curl and get like those super curly ends. Because if not, my ends will not be super curly. So just smoothing that through. And there we go. The only thing I don't like about Denman brush is I seem to have really frizzy roots. I mean, I have frizzy roots regardless. So if anybody has any cures or remedies to help with frizzy roots, hit your girl up. So my roots always seem to be frizzy.
So, you know how you start doing your wash and go, you look at your hair, and you just know in your soul that it's not going to turn out right? I was having this moment with these products. They weren't sitting on my hair right. They weren't penetrating. They weren't coating. So I just knew that this was going to be an epic fail. But what did I do? I continued. I continued all over my head to the very end. And you will see the results in a few seconds.
Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like after using the Camille Rose Curl Milk and the My Organics Brazilian Cocktail Curl Cream. I'm just holding this because it's in my face. And I can already tell I don't think I like it. I don't think I like this curly cocktail. If you see frizz while your hair is wet, there's gonna be frizz after your hair dries. It's not gonna get smoother. It's just gonna stay frizzy. So my roots are typically frizzy, but I mean, there's a lot of frizz that I normally just don't have. Like, I'm used to my roots being frizzy, but there's like a lot of frizziness that I normally just don't have. Like my wash and goes, after I do them and apply like my product, my hair's a lot flatter than this. Like, it's really flat. So I don't think I like this combination. This is not a good curly cocktail. They mix well together, but as far as type 4 low porosity hair, nope, not a good cocktail. So yeah, hope you guys learned something and decide not to try this cocktail if you have type 4 low porosity hair. But if you do, I would love to know your results. Hopefully this looks a little bit better when it dries, but as of right now, I don't like it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.